Today, we're diving into the Nokia C32, a budget smartphone that promises to offer a lot for its price. Stick around as we unbox, review, and test the camera to find out if it's worth your money. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find the Nokia C32 handset, a charging cable, a wall adapter, a set of earphones, and the usual documentation. First impressions? The phone has a sleek design and feels quite solid in the hand. It's available in several colors. Today, we have the stunning mention color, which really pops. Looking at the design and build quality, the Nokia C32 features a mention material used for the body, e.g., plastic or glass body. It's lightweight yet feels sturdy, which is great for everyday use. It sports a large, specified screen size, inch display with mention resolution and type, e.g., HD plus resolution. On the side, you'll find the power button and volume rocker, and at the bottom, there's a mention any ports, e.g., USB-C port, headphone jack. Now, let's talk performance. The Nokia C32 is powered by and comes with mention RAM and storage options. It runs on Mention OS version out of the box, which provides a clean and user-friendly interface. We'll be testing how it handles day-to-day tasks like browsing, streaming, and gaming. Additionally, the phone features AM capacity. On any special features like fingerprint sensor, face unlock, battery. Moving on to one of the most anticipated aspects, the camera. The Nokia C32 boasts a mention camera specs, e.g., dual camera setup with a primary sensor of X megapixels. We'll take various shots under different lighting conditions to evaluate its performance. As you can see, the images appear, provide feedback on sharpness, color accuracy, etc. So, is the Nokia C32 a good buy? Considering its price point, the phone offers a decent performance, a capable camera, and a durable build. It's certainly a strong contender if you're looking for a budget-friendly smartphone that handles basic tasks smoothly. However, if you're into heavy gaming or require high-end photography, you might want to explore other options. Thanks for watching our review of the Nokia C32. What do you think about this smartphone? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, take care.